edition of Chief Architect, how to draw a building plan. So, not to delay on this working drawing tutorial, step-by-step lesson. Today I got a project from a client, and I'm going to do a full working drawing, which I'll be repeating the previous lessons, what we have learned from the other lessons I have created. So I will start a new project, and I'll be working solely from stage 1 to the end of that project. So sit back, relax, whilst I open my Chief Architect version 12, that is X12. I intentionally choose using the version 12 to do the educations. If you have any other advanced settings, yes, still you can still follow up. So this is the phase of it. So you come to new project, so most of the times I normally like using metrics instead of the imperial. So supposing if I would like the imperial, the feet, these are my dimensions automatics. So if anyone needs settings on that of the imperial, please go to my comment section below, comment and request that, and I'll give a full teaching on how to set your scale factor. So I'm going to design an apartment which is one bedroom self-contained for a client. So that is what I'll be doing with the store. So please sit back, relax, and I'll be doing other editing. So please kindly follow as I click. You can pause this video at any time if you want. I might be quiet because I haven't done a sketch on paper. So I'll be producing everything from my mind direct on this page, on this lesson. You can use it to do your SketchUp, whatever, then you develop it. So that is what I'll be doing. So guys, please kindly like, subscribe and comment on this lesson. Thank you. Learn as I'm also learning. That is what I would say. Architecture actually is not a one-way metrics or dynamics. It goes with different dynamics. Yeah, so we are still learning, we are still drawing. Yeah, actually designing itself is something which is not static, it's dynamic. So relax, let's go. So first of all, I'll come to my setting. This is where you do your settings. Let's say you come to the spanner here, this first one, not this one. You come here, you click it. Then there is foundation, so you can do, let me say, the doors that I'll be using. I'll have to do interior door. I'll have to do editing on them. I'll have to choose my types of door that I'll be using throughout the drawing. So I think there is interior door. Okay, exterior door. I like the interior door rather. So my interior door, okay, there is the door 900 by 2100. Okay. Most of the time when you place the door, you see this dimension giving you the 900 by 2100 millimeters. It will give you the dimensions in the plan. I don't like it that way, so quickly I will click on this option, compress label. Okay, so I'm done for this. I will only be using interior doors within this plan because it's 1 bedroom apartment, so I might not need an outside door for nothing. So I might need a doorway, so let's go to the doorway. Okay, the doorway too, I'll quickly run to label, then I go to compress label. And also when I come to general, here I can choose maybe 1800, that is 6 feet. Yeah, so that at least it will be a little bit standard. I can also choose to change the curves here, so that it will not be all that square. Supposing if I the type of so let me go to door style. This so so when you come to arch here, no arch, you can go to this, then you change it, working arch, flat arch. All this wearing changing because I'm supposed to be changing the height and that of the radius. Yeah, but I will do that later when I have a special case on those things. There's octagon, so let me go to this so you can see most of the time, people normally like this as a common arch, so let's use this without any editing. So I might not need a sliding door here on this project, whether full double door, I might not need them. So quickly I close the door, then I go to window type. So 1000 by 1002 is okay. Then I'll go to the label again and I'll change this. So the type of wall to be used, wall niche and all that. Supposing, let me go to the wall niche. I might not use this wall, so go to wall. So I might be using the internal wall actually, not the external wall. You can choose to use the external wall if you want to, but me, for instance, most of the time I like using the internal wall. So I change it to 150 millimeters. Then I go to okay. Then let's go to foundation. So foundation wall, you can go and do this editing. Okay, so 450 by 450, is it okay? Width 450, height 450, so height will be 225. Because it's not a story building, so the width will be 225, the width 450, standardized. Wall thickness 150, 150. Yeah, so let me see label. There is no label here. This is how the foundation thickness will show. So our settings is done. Let me check this one too. Rails, yeah, I might be using rails also. So let's go back to Rails. So quickly you tick here. Yeah, I wouldn't change this type though, but on other subsequent, there are more editings here. You can choose materials, you can change this. Try to play with the software. So I go to OK, then done. Now here I come with my how they call it, I come with mindful project. So I come to wall. From the previous lessons you can recap all this. Then I choose my interior wall, as we can all see, and it's being indicated. Yeah, this section will only be for 15 minutes and I will start. I'll be doing it in series, so as I'm wrapping up, it left with 4 minutes for me to recap all the settings, then I continue again. So then I'll draw my vertical line, and you can see when I zoom it, when I'm drawing my horizontal line, actually it's giving me the dimensions. So supposing if I'm okay with this, I just click here. Then let's look at something here. Let me minimize this wall. Let me reduce the height. So let's look at something. So if I'm okay with the distance, so let's say 10,500, it's okay for me. Then I'll then click here, this button, I drop it down. Then you can see it matches with this. I go to this, then I come here, connect, so we can all see. So supposing if you have your scale, you have your drawing being scaled on paper, then you are good to go with that. Okay, so if your scale, you have done your scaling on paper before doing the sketch, then I think you don't need to be doing more than maybe to go a little bit extended before you be cutting and all those stuff. It wouldn't be like that. So you just close the gap here like that. Thank you. Kindly like, subscribe and comment. I will continue this lesson as I'm doing a full working drawing of this particular project. So don't miss out on this project, please, once again. So you have the other sections following the next stages of this drawing, because I don't want it to be too long and too boring. So 10 minutes, 15 minutes is okay. So kindly like, subscribe and comment. I will never disappoint all of you. I'm doing my best. This is a client project that I'm working on, so I'm giving you the best, the way I do my drawings on this. Thank you, love you all, bye bye.